Hey, welcome back to OzFx. My name is Oz, and today we're going to be taking a look at Litecoin, the trade I took, and we're just going to talk about how this is pumping way more than the rest of the crypto market at this very moment. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. So, here we are on the daily chart, and you see this line that I have plotted here. That's actually something I drew from the weekly. I drew this here earlier as a resistance point, pretty much a roadblock, something I thought that we might have some trouble breaking through. As you can see here on the weekly, we've pierced it. I know that this is a weekly candle. It has a while till it closes, but nonetheless, that's still a good sign. So if we go back down to the daily, all right, you can see we've been clearly in an uptrend, and Litecoin has been like a silent warrior the past couple months. It just keeps going up and up and up. And now, for instance, you see this big pump right here. If I go over here to Bitcoin, it's not really doing anything. Same with Ethereum, Solana, BNB, XRP, Matic, Uniswap, ADA. None of them are really moving like Litecoin is right here. Alright, so to break this down, let's actually go down to the 15-minute time frame. Alright. And I believe my entry was actually up here a little bit more. I don't think my entry was that great. I think I entered this manually, market executed, and I'll show you the order and everything then as well on my MetaTrader 4. But as you can see here, this is simple. Let me go back to the 1 hour really quick. So if you see here, we have this little support or liquidity barrier right here, because below this is a lot of liquidity, right? And I was originally interested in this area right here, and I did have a pending order on it, and I still have a pending order on it, especially now that we've taken all of these highs right here. Now that we've taken these highs, I could definitely see a sweep down to the other side of this, but that hasn't happened yet, and we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Let me get rid of this line really quick. This trade was actually very simple. It was literally just based off order block theory, pretty much. If I go down to the 15-minute, I based this trade off of the fact that there was liquidity up here. All right. I also based it off the fact there was liquidity right here. Okay, so there's liquidity resting above there as well. And right here is my order block that I was looking at. Right here, order block comes up, break structure there. So there's the break of structure that makes this an order block. And it broke this structure over here, and even this little one over here, and this one right here as well. Now this was just an internal break of structure, but nonetheless, I still set my order, and as you can see here, we just took off. And yes, I could have ran this up to a 1 to 7, but I got a 1 to almost 6 out of it because it hit my take profit. And there's not much more to this trade other than that. Literally, you see it. Just an order block came down, accumulated, and went up and went off to the races. Now, as for why Litecoin is pumping so hard compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum and all these other cryptos, I really don't know. But I like it because Litecoin's what I've been trading on my MetaTrader 4. And real quick, before I get out of here, this is the screenshot from my MetaTrader 4. Here's my buy. This was right before I closed it. I closed it shortly after that. Not that I feel the need to actually show y'all proof, but just in case anybody wanted it, there it is. And if y'all have not joined my Discord group yet, make sure you get in here. It's the MI5 Trading Tribe, sponsored by OzFx, and we got a bunch of stuff in here. We got the Smart Money Bootcamp in here that has about 8 episodes in it right now, and more coming this week. So make sure you hop in there and don't miss out on anything in the future. Till next time, I'll catch y'all later.